How many meetings have started like this? Someone walks into the room and they start looking for an HDMI cable. Someone else forgot their USB-C adapter and the display won't switch inputs. Now everyone sits there waiting while someone tries to get the presentation working. If that sounds familiar, there's a much easier way. Whether it's an employee, a customer, or a guest presenter, finding the right cable shouldn't be part of the meeting. Fortunately, if your company already owns compatible Neat, Windows, or Android hardware, there's another option. Instead of plugging your laptop into the room, Mago lets you wirelessly share your screen directly to the conference room. No HDMI cable, no USB-C adapters, and no docking station. Just open your browser, enter the room code, and start sharing. Danny from Mago is gonna show you exactly how it's done with a real demo right here.
And during the meeting, you can actually share content as well. So you hit share screen to call, and it's gonna give you the option to share content into the call. And you're gonna get to pick and choose what you wanna share. So she literally doesn't have anything open. So I'm just gonna say share entire screen, and I'm gonna pick it, and I'm gonna say share. And so now my entire screen is being shared to the call. Again, all happening wirelessly, not connected to anything with any cables or dongles. If you're done sharing, you simply hit stop sharing.
Imagine a customer, vendor, or guest walks into your office. Instead of asking them to install software or connect to your corporate network, they simply enter a code into their browser, and they're ready to present.
I'm gonna come into the room and I'm gonna press present on my Neat pad. And then on the Neat pad, you're gonna see a code come up. So I'm gonna punch in that code here into the browser, and then I'm gonna hit connect. And so what's gonna happen now is it's gonna ask me what I wanna do. So I'm gonna say I wanna join a call. So what I've done is copy the Zoom link that I wanna join, or I can go through any of these here and I can punch in the meeting ID and passcode, because I wanna join the meeting from here, not from my laptop. I wanna join the meeting from the equipment that's in the room. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste the meeting link, and then I'm gonna join on the screen. And so now you see it's joining the meeting. And there we go.
Here's another benefit you'll appreciate. Your guest doesn't even have to be connected to your corporate Wi-Fi. They can be using your guest network or even hotspotting from their phone, and still being able to wirelessly share content into the room. For companies that regularly host outside visitors, that's a huge advantage.
Now, the other thing that people want to be able to do is share content when not in the meeting. So they simply walk into the room, you're a visitor, you're a vendor coming in from the outside, and you want to do a training, you want to share a presentation. You simply want to walk into the room, and for Mago, you simply hit present, and you're going to be given the options to join from your browser, or you can share content from your mobile device. And again, it's super simple. And one of the cool things is you don't have to be on the corporate Wi-Fi. So you can actually share content from your laptop that's hotspotting off your 5G on your telephone, or your mobile phone. So this is one of the options that you have. Again, you don't have to, or you can be on the guest Wi-Fi instead of the corporate Wi-Fi. As long as you have internet access, you're going to be able to share content up to the room.
If your organization already owns compatible Neat, Windows, or Android hardware, these capabilities are all unlocked through Mago. Mago integrates directly into Neat and other ecosystems and allows you to add features like multi-platform meetings, wireless content sharing, simple guest access, and a much more flexible conference room experience without replacing the hardware you've already invested in. This is an example of how you'd enable Mago from your Neat device.
Let's access Mago through Neat Pulse. Once you're in your Neat Pulse account, you want to go to Neat Open, or it may say App Hub on yours version, and you want to scroll down and you want to find Mago. And so once you have Mago, make sure you turn it on, and then you want to go to your devices, and I'm going to pick my Neat Bar Gen 2 and Neat Pad, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go ahead and ensure that Mago is turned on. So Mago is turned on, and you want to make sure that these guys are turned off and that you are in Neat Open mode. So you're going to have, when you first fire up your Neat device, you're going to have Teams, Zoom, Open, or Other. You want to select Other. And then that's how you're going to be able to access Mago.
Technology should make meetings easier, not create more problems. If you'd like to learn whether your existing Neat devices are compatible with Mago, contact us today and one of our advisors can verify. Otherwise, you can give Mago a try for yourself. Just visit the link in the description of this video or in the comments. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as it helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.